looking for a shelter in the darkest hour, just before the dawn. I was waiting on the sunrise as you fell out of that southern sky, wondering if the spring would ever come. In that moment I decided I would spend my life providing, though my heart was never giving me the choice. I went out singing for our supper as the nights were getting longer, all the while you were finding your own voice. Songbird, it's time to test those wings, to fill your lungs and give it everything you got. I hold my breath and close my eyes and pray to that old man up high. Oh Lord, don't let her feel the drop, feel the drop. I built a nest with these two hands, made you somewhere soft to land, with a canopy of leaves to keep you dry. I did my best to raise you right, prepare you for this maiden flight, send you off into a cloudless sky. And I taught you about the land and trees, and how to count those 7 seas, and every melody I ever heard. But the time just seems to slip away, the days and months and seasons change, and now you know my songs all word for word. Songbird, it's time to test those wings, to fill your lungs and give it everything you got. I hold my breath and close my eyes, pray to that old man up high. Oh Lord, keep an eye out for those buzzards, heed the wise words of your mother. Don't ever let no man shoot you down. If your skies get dark and heavy and your days are filled with rain, keep on pushing through the storm cloud, you'll see that sun again. Songbird, it's time to test those wings, to fill your lungs and give it everything you got. I hold my breath and close my eyes, pray to that old man up high. Oh Lord, don't let her feel the drop. So here we are as summer ends, you're off making feathered friends, and I just seem to spend my days alone, surrounded by all of your things, searching for new songs to sing to you.